Now with the function itself, it's pretty self-explanatory. So if I were to press the button, so one click, I had it for the hunk, as you can hear it. And then if I double press, it's gonna lock all the doors. And you could see the mirror folding. And then now if I double press, it's gonna unlock the car. There you go. And then if I hold it, that's gonna enable grok, but I don't have the premium connectivity, so it's not popping up. So I'm gonna actually replace this function with something else. And if I hold it down, that's gonna start preheating the battery pack. So you know, it's pretty convenient. I have everything now on the go, and I don't have to toggle on the screen and get to the settings and stuff like that. So I guess the things that I love to do the most, they're like right in front of me, and I can turn the wheel with just the two mount, and then they're not going anywhere. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys real quick. But again, I'm gonna link it in the description down below just in case if any of you guys are interested. So maybe you could give it a shot. But let me know, what do you guys think in the comments down below. Now, the only thing that I did notice with this support mount, so like the hunk now, it becomes a little bit hard and tricky to press. So right now, if I were to press it, it hunks. But like, I feel like, I don't know, maybe because I've never really actually hunked before, but I feel like it's just a little hard to press, you know, like, I don't know, could be in my head. But man, yeah, very, very, very functional and helpful. While we are in a subject, I figured that I would talk about the Sexy Button product. So I feel like it's very useful because it gives you access to a lot of hidden feature with the car itself. But I don't know, I guess like all them features that they're showing on the app, it's cool and all, but I feel like I'm not gonna be using all of them. So 10 out of 10 would recommend, and especially with the mount itself, man, it makes it look really factory. I guess only problem I have to kind of remember exactly which button does what, because at night it's like very dark and it's hard to see exactly what I have set up for the buttons. Maybe over time I would automatically remember everything, so that way I wouldn't have to look down or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm loving this look right now. I'm gonna put a link down to my website, so that way if you have a 3D printer, you can have access and print it. But let me know, what do you guys think so far? I think it looks amazing. It looks factory, like it was meant to be. And you know, it's not in the way, it's not too sore in your face. But yeah, I'm liking everything thus far, man. Like this car, it has came a long way. We have the carbon fiber dash trim, we have the screen mount swivel, we have the mount for the sexy buttons, we have the heads-up display, and the controller mount for my airlift management system. So I'm pretty much satisfied with the interior, how it looks currently. Maybe I'll probably do some lighting for like the interior, you know, like all around, put some lighting on the dashboard, on the door trim, maybe in a center console as well. But that's probably gonna be in another video. But for right now, I'm enjoying everything with this car so far. Let me know, what do you guys think in the comments down below. But again, that wraps it up for today's video. And if you've made it all the way to the end, I do appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.